All right, what's up, guys? So, just wanted to go over the trades for today. Today was pretty quick, under 5 minutes. As you guys can see, I traded GTEC, jumped in at 22.5, sold at 23.19, and then I bought at 24.5, and then I jumped out at 24.87, and I jumped in at 23.85, um, and then I jumped out at 24.34. So 3 trades, 3 wins. This was pretty good. Now I ended up with 6,200, and I know you guys are probably thinking, "Wow, man, this guy did 62 in less than 5 minutes." But what most people don't know is, I take losses too. Like yesterday, I lost a little bit over 7 grand. So, but the most important thing is, as long as you are winning more than you are losing, 70% of the times I'm winning, the other 30% of the times I'm losing. And yesterday this stock got me good. It got me good. I jumped in, and immediately once I jumped in, it flushed so hard. Um it just took a huge chunk out of me. So like super fast. And then I tried to double up, and then it dropped a little bit lower, so I just cut my losses. And there's no way I could have cut my losses fast on that one because it just dropped so fast yesterday. Um, it is what it is. But today, as you can see, I kind of made almost back the 7 grand. Um, Again, it's I follow the same rules every day. This is a pullback. I'm waiting for it to jump in. Typically, I'm trading over go time, but for some reason, this was far away from go time. So, of course, I'm going to jump in a little bit earlier and take quicker moves. If my setup is not there, I'm going to take quicker moves. I'm going to be in and out faster. But when my setup is there, obviously, I'm going to, try to ride it out. But today was just a pretty decent day. I mean, this thing here, I was just waiting for it to start making new highs. As soon as it did, I jumped in right there, sold right there. And then as soon as I sold, volume started kicking in heavy. And this thing popped up. And I'll show you guys on the video. Once it started popping up, I decided, let me jump in. Because once I saw it going above this area over here, I decided, let me jump in. And then it started going up. And then it looked weak. So I sold quickly, and because this wasn't my strategy, I mean, this is not really the setup that I trade, and so I'm quicker to get out. So if this is like, for instance, if you're not trading, your go-to strategy every day, like for instance, if it's not there, you might want to make your moves a little bit quicker and get out a little bit quicker. So that's what I did here. I took a quick move here, quick move here, quick move here. Waited for this pullback and jumped in right here. Boom. It was above VWAP, so I felt confident. I took this move. And once I did that, I hit my goal. I actually hit my goal right here, but I wanted to kind of make up for yesterday because yesterday I lost like a little bit over 7 grand. And so I wanted to try to make a little bit of that back up. And I ended up with the 6,200. So, it panned out. So let's play this video here so you guys can kind of see my train of thought. Okay, so you see the bell is about to ring. I see this is a clear pullback. It's pulling back. So I'm waiting for it to start making new highs so I could jump in. Now you can see it starts going down immediately. So now I'm just watching to see if it's going to make new highs. Boom, it's making new highs. I'm in. As you can see, I didn't get filled there. I did not get filled there. So I had to cancel this order. And then this thing is going without me. I was kind of like a little bit mad because it made quite a big move from where I jumped in. I jumped in right around the $22 mark, 22. It went all the way up to 23 almost. So it went up $2. So I was kind of mad about that, but I kept watching it. I knew if this thing made this big of a move, chances are it's strong. So I'm just watching it, and I'm seeing that it's staying above this area. So I jump right back in above here. Jump right back in. Started pulling back a little bit, but almost immediately it started going back up. So I sold because I knew it had a problem right here. It just went up this high and then it went back to this level and it's stalling. So I sold. So now watch this. Immediately volume's kicking in. I jump back in and then it starts slowing down. So I just got out. I just got out. So, and that was a very good move to get out. Because, I mean, you saw it. It just popped up and then all of a sudden it just started slowing down. So I knew it was hitting that $25 mark. So at that point, I said, let me sell right now. Let me wait now. I got to wait for its pullback. Always wait for pullbacks. So now I'm waiting for a pullback to see if it's going to attempt to go time. But I'm also watching this level here to make sure it's breaking, that it's strong, that it's attempting to break above here. So that's what I was looking for. And a couple other stocks popped up on the scanner, so I was watching those. Let's fast forward here. Oh, yeah, if you guys don't have trade ideas, you better sign up to trade ideas. All right, so let's fast forward a little bit. So now I'm watching the pullback. And, of course, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for new highs. So let's fast forward. Okay, so now this candle is about to close out. So now I see volume kicking in. I see more green are kicking in. A lot of buying is going on. So now I'm getting ready to to jump in. Boom, I jumped in right there. I got filled pretty good this time because the last time I didn't get my fill. And I sold quickly. I'm just taking really tiny, well, these are pretty big moves, but, I'm just taking quick trades in and out. And that was it. That was it for the day. So I'm not going to keep this video long. That's all that happened today. Basically, I jumped in there. Boom. Waited for the pullback. Jumped in here. Boom. I took this because I saw the volume popped up so quick. I thought it was just going to explode up to here and maybe possibly get halted. But it just didn't. It went back down, and good thing I sold there. I sold there because it slowed down. So most people, they're normally buying at dollar increments or $half increments. They're either buying or selling at dollar increments or $half increments. So as soon as I saw this one at $25, I said to myself, okay, is it going to break this $25? Because you can see it's at 25 on the nose. So I said to myself, is this thing going to break the 25? Let me sell just to be sure. I've already made my daily goal right there, so I might as well just not lose it. So that's what I did there. And then I just waited for the pullback. Always wait for pullbacks, especially if it's above VWAP. Go ahead and take that trade. It's a good place to buy if you're buying above VWAP, especially if volume is kicking in like this. Look at the volume bar on this thing. So as soon as I saw a whole bunch of volume, of course I'm going to jump in. All right, that was it for the day. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Also, don't forget, you guys, sign up for Trade Ideas. If you guys can see GTEC right there, it's telling me GTEC is our top gainer. And so, of course, I'm going to look at what's popping up on my scanner. Of course, over here, too, I'm going to be looking at what's getting halted. I'm going to be looking at, the best ones. I try to pick the best and leave the rest. But I got in and out at a decent area. And as you can see, for the rest of the day, it didn't really do much. So I got in. And this is why I trade the first hour of the day, because typically within the first 5-10 minutes, I can make my profits. I can walk away. And the rest of the day, I mean, look what happens. It just went all the way back down. All right, guys. Enjoy your day. If you guys have any questions, comment below or send me an email. If you want to learn how I'm doing what I'm doing, if you want to learn how to set up your scanner like this, if you want to learn how to set up your platform like this, if you want to learn how to get this beautiful Brutus Empire background like that, so you can check this out every day, hit me up. I'll help you guys out. All right. Enjoy your day.